So AS Physics today, we've been looking at cloud chambers, and you can see there is, to the right of the picture, an alpha particle source, and pinging out in all directions there is alpha radiation. So it's traveling a similar path each time because it has the same amount of energy. And I might just move it a bit, you can see that's a better angle. You can see those little tracks, and it's an alcohol vapor or ethanol inside, and we've used some dry ice to cool it down.
So this video shows a slightly sort of expanded view of the cloud chambers, and we need to have a think about what alpha radiation is. Well, it's a particle, you could call it, or it's a series of subatomic particles, so 2 protons, 2 neutrons, that leaves the nucleus. It shouldn't actually manage to do it. It shouldn't be able to do it, but it actually quantum tunnels out of the nucleus. And in this case, these look like sort of the probe that you can see is Polonium-210. Now, most schools now have banned this because it tends to powder up a little bit, so we don't tend to use them anymore. Which is a shame, which is why these videos are really cool, because you can still see it. And typically the track should be the same distance. Now this is a Pasco cloud chamber. It's a bit more modern. It still has a Polonium-210 needle source. Again, I'm not sure if these are able to be bought anymore, but the advice is not to use them. And it's a needle source, and you can see really clearly those alpha particles. They're creating a lot of ionization. They're slow moving, they're heavy. That's why those tracks are really, really thick, and you can see them moving from the center out to the edge of the cloud chamber. So the floor of the cloud chamber again is sort of the cooled area. And it's just a different coloured light because you've got LED lights coming in at the side, but it's really quite incredible how it's shown. Now this last video, this comes from a Lascelles, I think it is, cloud chamber, and you can see the sort of the vapor is raining down, isn't it? It's misting down, and it's a thoriated welding rod. So this has thorium that's radioactive. It gives out the alpha source, and you can see the traces again. So they're pinging, particularly to the left there on this picture. So there's another one, and you will see a little bit of background radiation. There you go. So that's muon activity, I think. So they're wandering tracks. They're very much thinner, lower ionizing. That's another one right in the foreground there. So if you slow down the video, you will be able to see those little tracks tracing out, particularly at the bottom of the picture, and at the top of the picture is more of the alpha radiation. So there you go. So that's cloud chambers, a little bit of alpha radiation, and about all you need to know for your physics A level.